Menteri rang baka jela ukan rat ke sangma rengkar bad menteri rang baka Sikkim UPS tamang hene kasni kila plepat ba eka North East Food Show hajar ar kabara Pynlong Madan Polo hakarukam kabashong kun bha hagani kalumpung lawan baneshem benta bat pen inam lagi kun ho neki jela ba pher badan hagani ka than chatei lammi ngi jongari bat kiwe kajing Pynlong ekate kalumpung kalong ru ban penya kendu langna do kinong rap kinong khayi bar kinong trekam lajong hakawe karansang.
We realize that the farmers alone cannot make the kind of exponential growth that they would want. We need entrepreneurs to be there to be able to scale up the production, to be able to add the value to the products so that this can be sent to the markets outside. So we started a program for entrepreneurs called Prime Program. This Prime Program is very entrepreneurial centric, and in the last many years, we have been promoting and pushing many entrepreneurs to come in. You will see out here that we have got many self-help groups. In the last 4 years, we have increased the number of self-help groups from a mere 3,000, 4,000, today to over 35,000 self-help groups of women have been formed. And they are here today to showcase some of their products. We have got mission mode programs, be it the piggery mission, be it the lakadong mission, be it the jackfruit mission, the aroma mission, the dairy mission, and soon we'll be having the spice mission. We started the ginger mission. All of these almost amounting to over 1,000 crores of mission mode programs have been functioning. We have different cooperative societies that have been formed. Hundreds and hundreds of cooperative societies have been formed. Again, these are being done to ensure that the collectivization, the group, of farmers coming together so that they are able to scale up their products. Farmers alone cannot provide the kind of productivity that is required by the market. And therefore, you need to bring different producers together in a cooperative movement. I remember coming here in 2019 and I remember seeing the packaging of the same entrepreneurs, their products. They were selling wine in an old beer bottle which was used for some other brand. They had got some simple, whiskey bottle which was left over. They washed it and they put the wine into it. And today, coming back to this pavilion after 3 years, those same winemakers have got bottles and packaging that is as good as any other product in the world. That is what this food show is about. And as I said, we don't expect that we'll see results in the next 1 day, 2 days, 1 year, 2 years. No. When we touch 75 years, we would like to look back, whether we are there or not, but as a state, we'd like to look back and say that yes, we have made a difference. That is the vision with which we are working on. So therefore, my friends, I know that this program that you're seeing today, there will be a large number of you who will say, good things or medium things about it. There will be a large number of you also who will say many bad things about it. And you will say, oh, there could have been fans in this place, because I am also thinking of fans right now. I will think that, well, there could have been exhaust out here. There will always be room for improvement. There will always be areas where we'll make things much better. But we need to start somewhere. And that's the reason why I'm very pleased and happy to see the kind of response that we're getting from everybody. I just felt like spending the whole day out here because the smiles that I see on the farmers' faces, the smiles that I see on the entrepreneurs' faces, the way people are pulling me and saying, why don't you try this food? Why don't you try this wine? We want to bring a smile to our entrepreneurs and to our farmers' faces. We want to see that we are able to provide them that additional benefit, that we're able to provide that opportunity that they need to be able to compete with the best in the world, and that's what we will do. The northeast part of India, and remember this is a northeast show, it's not a Meghalaya show alone. And the reason why we call it a northeast show is because we realize that the international market looks at variety. We realize that the international market looks at scale. Meghalaya may not be able to produce the kind of scale that we require for a buyer or a country. But when the entire Northeast comes together, we can do it. And therefore, it is a Northeast show, and you will see that we are trying to expand and bring out an outreach to all the Southeast Asian nations also. I'm so thankful for Vietnam, our His Excellency, who is here today. Vietnam is a shining example of what the states in the Northeast can become.